Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. We have here the C30 Pro Smartwatch. It is a sports smartwatch with a infinite display, or it has a big widescreen display, supports multiple sports mode, and as you can see here, we do have an outdoor rugged sports design. We are going to check the design of this wearable as well as the specs and of course its UI. Remember, we do have the C20 Pro Smartwatch, as you can see here, and we also have a C29 Pro Smartwatch. I don't know if this smartwatch is an upgrade of these two smartwatches, so let's see. We'll check its features as well as the design. Okay, if it's good and it is much better than the previous two wearables, I guess we can say that it is an upgrade of these two smartwatches. The C30 Pro is an upgrade of the previous smartwatches. As you can see here, we have a simple box here. We don't have any details, okay, for its specs, but anyway, we'll check it online. So if you have any questions regarding the C30 Pro smartwatch, if you have any questions regarding the video, drop a comment below. We'll have the unboxing review of its specs, design, and UI of the C30 Pro smartwatch. Subscribe, like, and share. Okay, so let's start and check out the C30 Pro smartwatch. Again, it has a 2.19 infinite display, I think IPS LCD. We do have a support for multiple sports mode. Guess we do have a health monitoring, weather. I don't know if this is just a call notifications or Bluetooth call. At the back, we have a metallic case, 49mm. Compatible with Android 5.0 and I guess iOS. Okay, so let's check. Let's have the unboxing. So it had the shipper or the seller sent us this wearable without any plastic. I guess it's just like this with its simple packaging, already unopened. So let's see. Okay, we have here the user manual. It's in English and Chinese version, I think. So this is Chinese. At the back, we do have the English version. Okay, we have the QR code here for the, seems like it's a Fit Pro Support App based on the icon, but I'm not sure. We'll check it out. Okay, very small, so seems like it's already unreadable for the user manual. It's a waste of time just reading this setting. Very small. We do have a support for Android 5.0 and iOS 9.0. So we have here the smartwatch. We have a sporty strap with a quick release pin and a stainless steel buckle here or lock. We have a pogo pin. It's not wireless charging. And we have here a sporty smartwatch. Okay, based on the box here, it said metallic case. Okay, but based here on the smartwatch, the metal here is on the bezel, this front, and seems like it is plastic on the case here. For the button here, this is metal, this is plastic. Okay, so have a closer look at the design here. We have a, I think it is a crown button with rotating function. This is a return button. I thought it's a button. I thought this is a button, but it's not. Metallic bezel. Let's remove this. It looks okay. looks sporty, much better than the C29 Pro, but I think the C20 Pro is much better compared to this one when it comes to design. But this one, still it looks sporty, lightweight. Let's see. We have here a weighing scale. 00. We have 32 grams in weight without the strap. With the strap attached, we have 51 grams. So more than 50, but still it's a good weight for a smartwatch. If it's range of 50, it is very comfortable to wear. So let's attach this one. Hopefully it will be easy to attach. Okay, the other one. And that's it. Seems strong. The smartwatch is okay, I think. Just the design is just right for its price, I think. Sporty looking smartwatch. So here it shows it's for the outdoors, but based on the design here, I don't think can withstand harsh condition. It might able to withstand splashes of water, rain, sweat, dust. Okay for outdoor activities, but not for rugged and harsh condition, I think. So this is your C30 Pro Smartwatch. Let's have a closer look at the design. Okay, let's have a closer look at the smartwatch. Again, the metal part is on the bezel. It has a plastic body frame, that's why it's very lightweight. You have two physical buttons, a crown button and a side button. So let's see if there's still a battery left for this one. But before that, check out the specs here of the C30 Pro Smartwatch. So we have the specs here. Okay, you can see the display, the size of the display, the connectivity, and the battery, as well as the compatible requirements. Okay, so let's turn it on. Press the power button. Nope, maybe this one. Let's see. Okay, so we have here, we still have battery left. Okay, so it has fully loaded. Okay, very slim black border, I think. Let's see if this is rotating function. Yes, and as you can see here, very slim black border, edge to edge display. Let's check out the UI. Notifications, nice. As you can see here, there's some transparency. Okay, we ran out of battery. I guess we have to charge it first before we can check on or have a preview of the UI. Stay tuned. Okay, we already charged the C30 Pro Smartwatch, so we can check out the UI of the wearable. Okay, so we have here the watch face, and as you can see, it has a slim black border. We have always on display. So this is the power button. Let's see what's this. Okay, so this one seems like this is just a return button. Okay, on top we have the notifications, and as you can see, there's some transparency on the UI here. Okay, that's good. You can still see the time, the background, even if you check the messages. On the bottom part, we have a window type layout here of the common applications, and we have all the apps here on the bottom part. On the side, we have a somewhat like a grid type. Okay, so we have the weather, the sports monitoring. Okay, what else? Can you set this one? Okay, so you can set this one, I think. Okay, that's these settings. No, I don't know if you have an option to set this one. We'll check later on our next video. On the left side, we have the different features here. Okay, the module. You can add your own here. Let's see. Okay, we do have the heart rate. Let's add this one, the sleep monitoring. Okay, let's see. You have the blood pressure, the heart rate, active recording. Where's the sleep monitoring? Okay, go back. Then you did not add. Again, blood pressure. We have to tap on the check. Okay, so that's it. Okay, for the main menu, just press this one, and we have here the main menus. You can zoom in or zoom out with this bubble type menus. I guess there's also a list option for this one. Okay, so that's it for our C30 Pro Smartwatch unboxing review of its design, specs, and UI. If you have any questions regarding the wearable, just drop me a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time.